Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove Zoom logo from live stream. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you want to open Zoom web portal and log in into your Zoom account here and click on my account. And once you're here, click on settings and make sure to select meeting tab here and click on schedule meeting and scroll down, and here you'll find this add watermark option, and now you can easily enable or disable your Zoom logo or watermark. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.